First, use a ruler to draw the installation horizontal line. Install the fixed sticky board. Peel off the protective layer of adhesive and stick it to the flat layer of the fixed plate. Align the positioning bayonet of the two glasses edge on the fixed glue plate along the inside of the door and stick it firmly. Install the main lock. Insert the main lock along the edge of the fixed glue plate. The system switches the door opening direction. Fix 4 panel screws. Draw the installation horizontal line with the ruler again. Before installing the secondary lock, first install the fixed glue plate. Insert the secondary lock along the edge of the fixed sticky board and fix the 2 panel screws. Text the function and text whether the main lock and the secondary lock are aligned. Text whether the key is in normal use. The key needs to be rotated 180